Look at these idiots on the freaking highway.
Yeah.
Don't they have a clue?
Look how fast it's expanding.
I know. We're idiots that stand out here. That thing can touch down anytime. I'll throw some large hail out of it.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm kind of thinking now.
Shit. I don't see why there's no storm trackers here though.
They went up about 5 minutes ago. Look at that.
Oh, it's wicked, isn't it?
I saw one when it's on the back side down here, a pencil tornado, just straight down there. It was almost white.
Good. When?
A while ago when I came out here. And it was still in the, you know, it was still going through here.
Yeah.
It was just white.
Oh, really?
They're gonna go up to town.
Yep.
Hear the sirens?
Yep. Is that from Blanchard? That's Blanchard. Hey. I don't know.
Gotta be more.
Or Norman.
Norman.
Gotta be Norman.
He better be gone to DC.
We're
Call
idiots.
him anyway.
We're idiots for being out here. We need to go check the weather on the radio and see what's going on. Shit. Must be some bad stuff over Blanchard.
Oh, I love you. I love you for that. I love you for that. They just blew up Newcastle though. All right, I love you. But yeah.
Dang it.
All right, baby. You keep on staying ahead of this storm, okay?
Stand up.
I love you.
What?
You keep on
No,
making
I'm out
efforts, baby.
watching funnels form just north of me. Oh yeah. You gotta see all the stuff. I feel like a storm chaser because I'm seeing some wicked clouds that are rotating. Just that are north of me. The sirens are going?
Yeah, is that in Moore where she's at?
Oh, well they're I don't know, did it hit anywhere more?